Dr. U.K. Menon, Director Ma'am, Principal, teachers, and my beloved students. First of all, I would like to wish you a happy Children's Day. Are you happy today?
Yes,
Happy. You are happy, that is good. Good. Today all of you are looking like colorful angels. I am very happy to see you all like colorful angels today. Okay? Good. Do you know why we are celebrating Children's Day today? Why? No? Why we are celebrating? Today is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Yes. Yes, students, let me celebrate Children's Day today by remembering the great Chacha Nehru. We should just remember his contribution also. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a great missionary. As the Prime Minister of India, after independence, he tried his best to make a good foundation for the nation. He had a long vision about the future of our country. So he made a lot of creative programs like 5-year plans and lot of economic plans for making India a prosperous country of tomorrow. Also, he has a very sensible policy towards where we should stand. So we have decided to go for a mixed economic policy and a non-alignment policy. Because serious students are studying in history that we had two groups. One is America and their allies, and in another side we had Russia and their allies. So one was capitalist and another was a socialist. So the both current people groups were trying to influence India and the Prime Minister of India to be a part of their group. So but my Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, had a clear vision about the future of our country. So he has decided that we will not go to this area or that area. We will stand as an independent, non-aligned country. There is no alignment with any group, and we have a common economic policy by taking the plus points of capitalism and socialism. So we had mixed economy policy, and he started the foundation of economic progress by starting the 5-year plans from 1950-51, and he always tried his best to spend time with the children, because always he was feeling that children are the future of the country. Motivating the children to be a better personality of tomorrow is an ideal way of developing the generation. So he always tried to be with the children and motivate the children, and always tried to give a message that education is the only key who can change the world. So you cannot change the world without education. So he always tried to motivate the students to be educated and grow up as a good personality, so that our country will be more prosperous and promising. So my dear students, on this occasion, we have to give a big salute to great Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and also we have to take a pledge today that we will try our best to fulfill the dreams of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. My dear students, on this occasion, I would like to thank Honorable Principal, Academic Director, coordinators and all other teachers who have invited me and Donna Ma'am to this program and have a wonderful program today also. So I'm very happy to see that teachers are preparing a lot of programs. We are eagerly waiting to see the program to make you happy. Because on the Teachers' Day, you people did a lot of things to make the teachers happy. So today is the turn of teachers to make you happy. हम देखेंगे कितने आप लोग खुश करेंगे teachers. Are you ready? Okay, my dear students, once again I would like to wish you Happy Children's Day. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivational and kind words.
the teachers are doing the function. So, most honorable chief guest for today, our beloved Babu sir, the chairman of the group, director madam, respected teachers, and my dear sweet children. And today is your day, Children's Day. We are celebrating. And every year, of course, we celebrate. Whose birthday celebrated a Children's Day? Yes, Chacha Nehru. He had a great love for children. He had great love for children, and as the director said, and he understood that the today's children are the future. Now, morning, of course, the assembly was conducted by the teachers. It was wonderful. And of course, you have seen one item, and more items are coming from children. Now see, the teachers are doing so much to entertain you, to enlighten you, and to teach you, and to guide you. So they are everywhere. They are like their mother or guru or all characters they play, and for your benefit. Now children or students, of course, the senior teachers, of course, they don't like to be called as children. The students, we have a dream for this school. And like any school should have a dream or a vision. And that vision is nothing that we have to be, first step is, we have to be one among the best schools of Bhopal. Yes, that's it. That's the spirit. And the second, of course, we should be the best school in Bhopal. So these two visions are there with us. And to achieve this, you are the people. You have to show your quality. And two most important things to achieve the target. Number one is the discipline. You understand the meaning of discipline? I explained in the third meeting that you must know what you are supposed to do. And don't do anything which you are not supposed to do. Very simple. You must know what you are supposed to do and don't do anything which you are not supposed to do. So, best discipline, that is to be noticed by everyone. The second thing is your academics. You have to excel. Especially I am telling the students of class 10th and the 12th. The result of the class 10 and the 12th, that is known by the whole Bhopal. And we should have some place there, and later on we should have the best place there. Then only we can be the number one. So this is a dream, and I think with the help of all the teachers and all the students, we can achieve this target. When we have a mission in front of us, we can work for that. And today, of course, we are celebrating. Tomorrow is actually the birthday of Chacha Nehru. So let us wish him happy birthday. Yes, happy birthday, Chacha Nehru. That is, of course, how we celebrate the Children's Day. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And of course, we are going to enjoy more.
अरे चलो 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 टीचर आ रहे हैं। तेरा तेरा सालों जाने नहीं देंगे तुझे जाने तुझे देंगे नहीं मैं कमिल सर
चलो बेटा नसल बच्चे चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। चिरकुट सिंह राम राम सर। गोटाग्राम प्रेजेंट सर। कालिया कालिया कालिया
प्रेजेंट सर
बेटा नमस्ते सर नमस्ते जी नमस्कार सर। ग्रेविटी आगे ना सर। बोलो प्रेजेंट सर। टूटी बेटा प्रेजेंट सर।
अरे बच्चों यहाँ पे इतनी गंदगी क्यों है? राम प्रकाश हो राम प्रकाश
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने वादा ये वादा कर लिया हमने स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने वादा।
अच्छा बेटा ग्रेविटी ये बताओ हम अपने स्कूल को साफ सुथरा कैसे रख सकते हैं?
स्कूल आगा सर। अरे ये किसका पीरियड है?
निर्मा मैम का।
वॉशिंग पाउडर निर्मा वॉशिंग पाउडर निर्मा मेरे पीपी मेरे माटी है एक दिन कपड़ा पीले जाए।
ये सब क्या हो रहा है? बच्चों आप सभी का सरप्राइज टेस्ट है। बच्चों डरिए मत बस इरादे बुलंद होने चाहिए पत्थर से भी पानी निकाला जा सकता है।
मैम मैं तो लोहे से भी पानी निकाल सकता हूँ।
कैसे?
हैंड पंप से।
Thank
उसकी भुजाएं बदले कथाएं। Who let the dogs out? 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 Who let the dogs out?
अच्छा कालिया बताओ, संगीत के सुर कौन कौन से होते हैं?
सारे गामा।
और बताओ। बस और सब बढ़िया सर, ऊपर वाले की कृपा है। आप बताएं क्या हाल चाल है सर?
Attention please, this is free pivot. Attention please, this is free pivot. Excuse me, मैं नीचे भोजन का सब्स्टिट्यूशन लगा हुआ हूँ। Everyone, कोई मैनर्स नहीं है। चलो सब लोग अभी विश करो। Hey, good morning all. ये बताया था, वो तो आप लोगों ने रिवीजन कर ही लिया होगा। कर ही लिया होगा आप लोगों ने।
Are you ready?
Stand up. Define energy. मैम पूरा तो नहीं आता, थोड़ा सा आता है लास्ट का। ठीक है, जितना आता है उतना ही बोलो। And this is called energy. Very good. Stand up. What is water formula?
मैम H2O plus HCl plus H2SO4 plus CO2 plus H2। थैंक यू मैम।
ये किसका फॉर्मूला है?
मैम बताइए पानी का।
तुम लोग ऐसे ही पढ़ते रहो, मैं जा रही हूँ।
Attention please, this is dance period.
teachers. अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआ में याद रखना, मेरे जिक्र का जुबां पे सुहाग रखना.
God bless you all. So, are you ready for the quiz? I cannot see your side. Are you ready for the quiz? So, let's start. The first riddle is, I have a single eye. I have a single eye, but cannot see. What am I? Can you guess? Very good. It's needle. Clap for her. I get smaller every time. I get smaller every time. I take a bath. What is it? Yes, very good. Clap for yourself. It's good. Okay, next. I am an instrument. I am an instrument that you can hear but not touch or see. I am an instrument. Yes, very good. It's your voice. Clap for yourself. everybody. What is at the end of a rainbow? What is at the end of rainbow? No, I'm not talking about the colors of rainbow. Yes, very good. Clap for that point. At the end of rainbow, there is W. Letter W. Very good. Okay, next. What kind of room has no doors and windows?
Mushroom!
Yes, very talented students. Mushroom. Clap for yourself. Okay, now. Which is correct to say? Which is correct to say? The yolk of the egg is white. The yolk of the egg are white. Which is the correct sentence? Come on, guess. Okay, I will repeat. The yolk of the egg is white. The yolk of the eggs are white. No, my dear. Actually, egg yolks are usually yellow in color. Is it funny? Not for me also. Okay, you can catch me. You can catch me, but cannot throw me. Very nice. It's gold. Very good. I shoot, but never kill. What am I? Yes. The ones behind. Clap for them. It is camera. Okay. What can you hold in your left hand? What can you hold in your left hand, never in your right hand? What can you hold in your left hand but never in your right hand? Yes, elbow. It's your elbow that you can hold in your left hand. Your right elbow. Actually, it is your right elbow which you can hold in your right hand. Okay. I have thousands of wheels. I have 1,000 wheels. But I don't move. What is it? No, we don't have wheels. I have thousands of wheels, but I don't move. I can give a hint. I can give a hint. You can see. What is it? A parking lot. A parking lot has thousands of wheels, but it cannot move. Okay. I am the beginning of everything. I am the beginning of everything. Listen it. First listen. I am the beginning of everything and end of everywhere. I am the beginning of. Let me complete. I am the beginning of eternity. I am the beginning of eternity and end of time and space. What is it? Just think about the spellings. Think about the spellings of these words. Everything, everywhere, time, space. Yes, it is letter E. Very good. Clap for yourself. Okay, the last one. I fly without wings. What am I? Okay, thank you so much. Clap for yourself.
ये क्या है बे मरियल सी बीट? ढंग से बजा। हाँ, बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया भाई। यही। अरे और जोर दे, दम लगा के। मास्टर कमिंग, चला।
தமிழ் தெரியாதா? ஹிந்தில ஒன் செகண்டா.
पूनम के चांद को घूंघट के नीचे छुपा के लाई तेरे लिए दुनिया से नजरें चुरा के।
पीछे कुआं आगे मेरे खाई, तू ही बता जाऊं मैं कहाँ। मुझको दुआ किसकी लगी भाई, आके पधारा हूँ जो यहाँ।
इल्ले फिकर आजा इधर, बीट पे लगा ले तू ठुमका।
1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor.
1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor.
Booty shake, tapan the hardcore. Shoulder hit it, party, hit it, gimme, 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 gimme some more. 1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor. Booty shake, tapan the hardcore. Shoulder hit it, party, hit it, gimme, 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 gimme some more. है जो बोली, जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली। मेरे तेवर में है तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली, जैसे जैसे हो ईद में होली। मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली, जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली। मेरे तेवर में है तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली, जैसे जैसे हो ईद में होली। मेरी जीवन की दशा थोड़ा रस्तों का नशा, थोड़ी मंजिल की प्यास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, कसम से बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है।
सबके होठों पे चर्चा तेरा, उठता गलियों में पर्चा तेरा। यूं तो आशिक है लाखों मगर सबसे ऊंचा है दर्जा तेरा। जेब में हो अठन्नी भले, चलता नोटों में खर्चा तेरा। यूं तो आशिक है लाखों मगर सबसे ऊंचा है दर्जा तेरा, सबसे ऊंचा है दर्जा तेरा।
मेरी तारीफ से छुपती फिर बदनामियां मेरी, जैसे जैसे वो आंख मिचोली। मेरे तेवर में तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली, जैसे जैसे वो ईद में होली। मेरी जीवन की दशा थोड़ा रस्तों का नशा, थोड़ी मंजिल की प्यास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, कसम से बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है।
ऐसे लहरा के तू रूबरू आ गई। ऐसे लहरा के तू रूबरू आ गई, ऐसे लहरा के तू रूबरू आ गई। धड़कने बेतहाशा तड़पने लगी, धड़कने बेतहाशा तड़पने लगी। तीर ऐसा लगा दर्द ऐसा जगा, तीर ऐसा लगा दर्द ऐसा जगा। जो कि दिल में जुटाई मजा आ गया। मेरे रिश्ते कमर तूने पहली नजर, मेरे रिश्ते कमर तूने पहली नजर। नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया। मेरे रिश्ते कमर तूने पहली नजर, नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया। ऐसा लगा दर्द ऐसा जगा, दिल पे जुटाई मजा आ गया। मेरी जावाना वो सामने आ गई, मेरी जावाना वो सामने आ गई। धड़कने बेतहाशा तड़पने लगे, धड़कने बेतहाशा तड़पने लगे। जोश ही जोश में मेरी आगोश में, जोश ही जोश में मेरी आगोश में। आके तू जब समाई मजा आ गया। मेरे रिश्ते कमर तूने पहली नजर, जब नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया। मेरे रिश्ते कमर
Thank you, Supriya.
Thanks to all the dignitaries for sparing their time and all the teachers for making and presenting today's day so special and memorable one. Last but not the least, our children who are the heroes of the today's show. Thank you so much.